Hello. Do you have no credit, bad credit, or fair credit, and you're looking for a unique way to raise your credit score? Then Self-Lender may be right for you. If you've never heard about Self-Lender, I will go into detail today in this video how Self-Lender works, and I will also tell you my personal experiences using Self-Lender and how it helped me to raise my credit score over 100 points in 1 year. If this sounds interesting to you, stick around. My credit score was raised over 100 points in 1 year. Now, Self-Lender wasn't 100% the reason for my credit score increasing. I had multiple trade accounts that I used responsibly, but it did play a part, and I know that my credit score is higher today.
Self-Lender is a credit builder loan specially designed for people with no credit or bad credit due to late payments or bankruptcy. So Self-Lender is an unsecured credit builder loan designed to help people with no credit or bad credit raise their credit scores. Self-Lender will deposit your loan amount into a CD as an unsecured loan. Then each month, you pay Self-Lender your payment, and Self-Lender reports your payments to the credit bureaus. After 12 or 24 months, you will have access to the loan in a CD or certificate of a deposit, which you can then withdraw and spend. So these are the loans available through Self-Lender. They range from 12 months to 24 months. The one that I chose was the $500 loan for 12 months.
Self-Lender helped me get approved for better types of credit cards, which offered better rewards, no annual fee, 0% interest, and great sign-up bonuses. You have to have better than fair credit in order to get these type of offers. And because I used Self-Lender and I was responsible for my other types of credit, my credit cards, my revolving accounts, I was able to raise my credit score 100 points in 1 year.
When I paid about 75% of my loan, Self-Lender sent me this little message to let me know that my credit score went up by 70 points. Now, they're asking me if I could share Self-Lender with one person. How about all of YouTube? A very important question about Self-Lender is, will they report to the 3 major credit bureaus? The answer is simply yes. For me, it took about 45 days before I noticed it on my credit report. Self-Lender does not perform a hard inquiry on your credit report when you apply. This is important because too many hard inquiries will lower your credit score. So it is important to avoid them whenever possible.
If you're only using credit cards to build credit, you might benefit for adding an additional type of credit line or trade account called an installment loan. What an installment loan will do, besides having your credit lines, is add a variety, a credit mix to your credit report, and that accounts for 10% of your overall credit score.
As you can see from my Discover Credit Scorecard, I have 1 installment loan from Self-Lender and 8 revolving lines of credit. You can already see that having this type of credit mix is a benefit to my credit score. After I completed making all my Self-Lender loan payments on time, I received this notification in the email that my check was on its way. And I also liked that they let me know exactly how much my credit score increased. 112 points in 1 year, not bad.
If you'd like to learn more and apply, you can find a link directly to Self-Lender at the bottom of our review article.
If you like our content, follow us on social media. The links can be found at the bottom of this video. And please like, subscribe, or comment if this video helped you. If you want to read the full review about Self-Lender, follow the link in the description or visit CreditFast.com and type Self-Lender in the search box located on the right-hand column.